Oyster omelette. I've got here 16 oysters, and so I'm going to boil this in a little water. And this is about 2 small chilies chopped, coriander leaves chopped. This is 1 small onion or half an onion chopped. This is spring onion, the greens, and 1 clove garlic chopped, olive oil. Going to use about 2 tablespoons. This is turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, about half teaspoon of pepper powder, little salt, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. This is for if you want later on to have it with the omelette. This is sweet chili sauce and this chili sauce, so anything you can add. Now 3 eggs, I'm going to beat them up. Now this is cornstarch with little water. I'm going to make a paste and add it to the egg mixture. So I'm going to beat up the eggs and then add the cornstarch and the pepper powder, turmeric powder, and the salt. And first I'm going to boil the the oysters for about 2-3 minutes and then drain them out. Now this is a pan for frying. I've boiled the oysters. Now I'm going to drain them and then put them on the paper towel. So oysters are here on the paper towel. I'm going to let it dry out. Now this is eggs beaten, and I've added the cornstarch with little half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Heat a pan, add 3 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of olive oil, depending on size of your pan and amount. So now add the chopped onion and fry along with the green chilies and garlic. Mix well and fry. After about a minute, you add the boiled oysters and fry it so that it becomes slightly brown. I've added the oysters. Now after about 30 seconds, I'll turn it over. And then I'm going to add the egg mixture. Now I'm adding the egg mixture. Now I'll sprinkle the spring onion. And the coriander leaves. Sprinkle little garam masala if you've got, otherwise you can put any allspice or any one you can put if you want, or you can leave it. It's optional. Now I have flipped it over. I will fry for about 45 seconds and I will remove. So we have here the oyster omelette. You can, if you want, you can put sweet chili sauce or chili sauce, or have it plain just like that, or just salt and pepper.